This is one quick video on moving average operation in Pandas. So this is a simple example where we created a data frame, and this data frame contains two columns. We could actually applying the so-called moving average by just, for example, we apply it to the column A. We can just use dot rolling, and then we specify a window, and this center equals to true will be more obvious when we apply smoothing window 3. But using this simple example, you can see what we did is essentially, if you look at the rolling mean of A here, what it does is, for the first one, the reason it is NaN, not a number, is because we have looking back one slot, which is not a number. Uh, and then the next one is average between these two numbers, 6 and 2, which is 4. And then 4.5 is the average of 3 and 6. So if you look at the alignment, right, when the window is 2, it is always aligned kind of with the element of A here. And then when we change the smoothing window to 3 and we run it, what it does is essentially, because of the center equals to true, right? We are, for the first number NaN, it is looking at 6, 2, because right now the center is 2, and then a number that is not available, so it gives you NaN. And then for the 3.66 is essentially 2 plus 6 plus 3 divided by 3, so the center part is 6. And because of that, the last number, which is aligned with the center one here, it look ahead for one slot, which doesn't have the number, so that's why you got an NaN here. And one way to deal with NaN is essentially, after we got this rolling mean, right, we could fill the NaN with the original, A column. So in this case, this NaN place is replaced with the number that was in the column A before. And if you make it more compact, you can just do this one rolling function. This part will apply the moving average with a window size 2 and center. And then this part will further remove the NaN by replacing it with the original value of the column A, and then you got the rolling mean of the column A. So this is a simple tutorial on applying moving average.